Alright, LEGO Fanatics. I'm going to build this, the train. It's one of the reasons why I'm building some of the buildings I'm building, as you saw before. So this is going to be the start of this. So I'm going to have several builds going on at once. Let's get this unboxed, shall we? There's a lot of track here. I'm going to have to get this out of the way. One bag, another bag, another bag. I think, there's the battery pack. And go out of the way here. Yep, my track is gonna fall on the ground. Okay. I'm gonna keep pouring this out until. Yep, that's all of it. I'm gonna put this box over here right now. I'm trying to get some light going. There we go. All right, some light. Okay. All right, so my remote control, I'm going to take all this track and put it off to the side. So I kind of need it out of the way. This is all going to go on top of my track, my table. I'll take these so they don't get lost. Put them in my bin. Okay. I've got straight and curve, and I actually have a lot of straight and curve. This out of the way. I can't build that stuff like that. Okay. That's the instruction booklets. Make sure there's no stickers in this. I'll put this back in the box. Okay, so this is 4 and 5. 6 and 7, 2 and 3. Here's 1. There are my stickers. Okay, so I'm going to take these books and put them over here. All right, I'm going to start with bag 1. Bag 1. Put that over there. The cool thing about this one is actually going to come with minifigures. So what is this? This is bag 2, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm going to need these for later. I'm going to put these out here. Oh, there's the remote. So that's cool. That's the remote for the train. I'll put that over there. I like to try to keep my trash in one area that way. And this was like that. These look like, oh, these are the connectors for the train. Kind of cool. Okay. This over here. It's a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, and a 7. So there's 7 bags. I'll put these over here. So they're kind of out of the way for the moment. Put these here like that. Okay. I'll take these bigger things and stick them right here out of the way, because I find it's easier when I can see what I'm looking at. Oh, they're magnets. Check that out. They're magnets. That is so cool. Okay. Let's see what we got here. These are connectors. Put my stickers over here. As you can see. Bag one. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go over here, and I'm going to find this guy, and this. Nope, that's not it. Oh, they have two faces. That's cool. I like that. All right, so this one is going to be. I'm looking for a white pair of legs. There we go. Like that. White pair of legs. I like the detail on this. And I'm looking for hair. And there we go. Oh, and there's a laptop. Hang on. So check that out. There's like a little laptop. And we'll close that. And then we'll stick it on here. Like that. And there you go. Bingo. Haha. First minifigure of the day. There you go. I'm gonna put this back over here for right now. And then there's another one. Ah, yes. Okay, this. And then this like this. Odd outfit. This guy has got pretty cool minifigure. Oh, let's put his bicycle hat on. Yep, just like that. So, minifigure number 2. And put this one over here. Add 2 of those. And so now I need a bicycle with a blue light. Blue light on there. I'm going to take these wheels and these just pop in there. Sometimes it can be a little bit difficult. There we go. Do the same thing back here. And they spin. Isn't that cool? That's kind of cool. Okay. So I'm going to put this down. Because I need this. I need 2 of these. 2 of these. 1 of these. 2 of these. And I need 1 of these red lights like that. I'm going to put this over here for a minute because I'm going to show you. So I've got, so you can see on my minifigures there. Okay, so first I'm going to do this. I'm going to put that on like that. And I'm going to go boom. I'm going to do this twice. So I'm going to put this on the bottom. This on the top. And we're going to put that together like that. Like that. Like that. And that. And then make this kind of square. And this is going to go on the back of the bicycle. And this guy is going to go like here. And what you do is you take his hands up. Let me pull it back off. Alright, so you take his hands and you move him this way, like this, and then like that. Is that right? I think. And then take the two hands and stick them. Okay, I'm gonna fix that in a minute. That's being annoying. I think it's easier if you do this without the bike in the way, because then you know you can kind of control the angle of these things. Like that. And you stick them back on here. Come on. And then they go like that. Okay? And he's riding his bike. Kind of cool. Alright. So there you go. Okay, so we're going to build the train station. But I'll see you in the next video.